Hello, Assalamu alaikum student. This is mathematics D2 for class 7 and class O levels. Exercise 5B book page number is 145. In this question, perimeter has been given 64 meters. Let me tell you that this is the second part of the question number 6, but I shall tell you what I have done in the previous part. So if you haven't watched it, you may not be need to watch it, because now I shall give you a review of that one. Perimeter is given as 64 meter in the question. Area has been given as 207 meter square in the question. Length we need to find out and breadth we need to find out. We know that a perimeter of a rectangle is equal to length plus breadth, because if we add all the sides of a rectangle, then we shall be able to get the perimeter. In place of perimeter, I have written 64 meters. In place of L plus L, I have written 2L. In place of B plus B, I have written 2B. 64 as it is there, 2 has been taken as common, L plus B as it is inside. 2 will go to other side of the equal sign and it will be divided. 64 will be divided by 2 then, and after dividing by 2, 64 will turn into 32. L plus B has remained here alone. 2 has moved other side and it has been divided. 64 has been divided, I mean. We can write L plus B is equal to 32 meter like this. Put B as it is there and bring L to other side of the equal sign, it will be subtracted. And we know that area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Just below the area, write the given area in the question, and in place of L just write L, and multiplication sign in place of B. You can write the value supposed for B. In the previous page, I have supposed B's value is 32 minus L. So in place of B, I have written 32 minus L. L will be multiplied with everything inside the bracket. L will be multiplied with 32. We shall get 32L. L will be multiplied with the L. We shall get L square, 207 as it is. When these things will come here, their signs will be changed. L square will come here, its sign will be positive. 32 will come here, its sign will be negative. 207 is already here, so there will be no effect at its sign. So now we can solve it by quadratic formula. We know that by quadratic formula here, A is, if we have done the previous exercises in this chapter, we should be aware of that quadratic formula. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 32, and C is equal to positive 207. We can solve it by factorization, by completing square, but that will be difficult for us to find the factors of 207. So that's why I have preferred the quadratic formula, and the students also prefer it. Not only me, students also prefer quadratic formula. X is equal to, since we have to find the value of L, our variable is well, so variable L is equal to, instead of writing X, we shall write L is equal to minus B plus minus B square minus 4AC over 2A. In minus B will turn, B is already negative. After mixing with this minus, it will be positive. So I am doing some shortcut methods. Let's take the square of 32 minus 32. Minus square will be positive and 32 square. 32's square is actually 1024 minus 4 multiply 1, 4 ones are 4, and after multiplying with 207, 4 7 times 28, 4 zeros are 0, add 2, 4 2 times 8, and 2 1 times 2, 32 plus minus, let's subtract it and then take square root. After subtraction, I got 196 and its square root will be 14. So I have 32 either plus or minus, then divided by 2. So L is equal to 32 plus 14 divided by 2. L is equal to 32 minus 14 divided by 2. L is equal to 246,314 divided by 2, which will be equal to 23. L is equal to 12 minus 4, 8, 2 minus 1, 1, and L will be equal to 9. In case of this, we know that B is equal to L minus 32 minus L. It will be 9. You can do this